my daughter. She is on a plane flying. We're in Texas. It's the first time she's been on a two-seater plane. She's about to come in for landing. Gorgeous day here. 73 degrees.
She was down. She came in downwind. Hit base. Now she's on final. See it turn to final.
Yeah, that's it.
And I saw the speed brakes go up. Now she's gliding.
Probably.
Even if the wind blowing that way?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter. The glide ratio is probably 40 to 1. For every 1 foot, you go 40 foot forward.
Huh.
Which is amazing.
I bet she's tickle pink. What kind of plane is this again?
It's Pipstrel.
Pipstrel?
SW. With a gliding wing attachment.
Oh yeah, prop's not even moving.
Yep.
If you like my channel, please subscribe. This is found in the ground metal detecting. We're just exploring Texas a little bit here.
Yeah, he'll stop and start the prop.
Yeah, I saw that. I bet she loved it.
Okay.
Now, did you come in with the doors up or down?
I had my door down. His door was up. I don't know what he has now.
Okay.
He might have his door up. It flips up like a gull wing.
Oh, okay. How long has he been selling these planes?
I don't know.
How old is the plane?
How old is the plane?
How old is the design?
Is it fairly new or?
It might be 5 or 6 years old. But they've updated the model. It has that NASA tag on the thing.
I saw that.
They want the NASA
There's Rebecca, her first time we played. I'm sure she's super excited about the whole thing. Let's go check her out, see how she did.
We gotta get it.
Oh, that's a cute little plane right here. Well, how was it? Was it awesome? I bet it was. Nice job. Nice.
When we were coming back,
What do you think? What do you think? Was that good, huh? Was it unbelievable?
So you're gonna be a pilot, right?
yeah,
Thank you. Thank
No,
you.
ma'am, I don't think you're going to need these.
I don't think so.
Hey, Rebecca, that was fun.
it was fun.
You say thank you?
Thank you. When we were turning around to come see you, I waved to you guys and you looked like you
Little
tiny
dots.
ant.
Nice.
I couldn't tell if you guys were trees or people.
Look like little ants, huh?
I couldn't tell if you guys were. I saw this beautiful stream that was over there.
There was a stream over there?
Yeah,
Yeah, I was hoping you'd see if you see any lakes or anything up
Yeah,
there.
I saw some big ponds and there was a beautiful stream. Like the water was so clear.
Huh.
My ears didn't pop at all.
Oh, good. That's awesome then. Let's look inside this thing.
Yeah, that was awesome. So fun. It was
No
so fun.
room in here.
For me, there is.
Well, yeah, for you there is, but not for me. That was gorgeous up there. Gorgeous day for it, Rebecca.
Yeah. What's behind the seat?
Cargo. You put storage back there.
How do you put the storage back there?
I don't know. The seats probably come out and you put storage back there.
Really? That's cool.
Such a rebuilding cars.
Okay, now, it looks like you've got fairly good flexibility. If you
Yes, I
can,
do. Yes.
if you can stick your rear end far enough
Go on
in
the
the
other side, Rebecca. Watch your head, Rebecca. Pipstrel. That's what it's called. I'm sure. I bet you loved it.
I love
I
it.
told you flying is awesome.
I thought it was going to be scary, but it was awesome.
And then when you want to put it back, just goes right there. Okay. And we'll hold off a second before I pull the door down.
Yes,
because it's
because you
getting
have to turn
warmer
around.
and warmer. Would you like a hat?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Then, hey guys.
Yeah.
Here comes the dangerous part.
Okay, Becca, watch up.
What's the danger
What's up?
part?
about to rotate this thing.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Dangerous that is.
Watch out, he's gonna rotate it. Oh.
Hang on a second, Diane, while I rotate this thing around.
I was like, what's going on?
So you wanna be a pilot now?
Yeah. I like riding them better, but
You're funny.
you could definitely tell when we landed because there was a big bump and
Yeah. So you know he glided in, right? Did he tell you he was gliding
then
in?
he glided.
And you were able to talk to him on the headset and all that?
Yeah. He told me that